Did you notice the sentiment score for space is currently at plus 0.48, with momentum hitting plus 0.62? This is a notable spike, especially when you consider the historical average has hovered around zero. It suggests a significant shift in public sentiment, likely driven by recent advancements in space exploration and technology. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of this topic. Imagine building an application that leverages this data to power a news aggregator, highlighting trending space events and their public perception in real time. This could give your users a fresh perspective on how space exploration is resonating with people today. For more details on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.